The following tips and tricks will help you get the best performance from your LXn Undercounter dishwasher. Before handling Dishmachine chemicals, always use personal protective equipment, including appropriate gloves and eye protection, and follow the chemical supplier instructions for handling. Pre-scrap and rinse ware to remove large food particles and debris. Place the ware in a plastic dish rack and be sure to leave adequate spacing between items. If equipped with a second-level rack accessory, be sure to properly load racks. Let the complete cycle run so that ware is properly washed, rinsed, and sanitized. Clean and drain the machine at the end of the day and leave the door open for the unit to dry out. Do not allow foreign objects to enter the unit, especially metallic contaminants such as paper clips or retainers. Do not allow food soil to accumulate on the bottom of the wash tank. Do not use steel wool to clean ware or dishwasher surfaces. Only use products formulated for safe use on stainless steel. Only use chemicals approved for use with automatic commercial dishwashers. Ensure detergents are matched to high temperature or chemical sanitizing machines. Do not exceed your chemical provider's recommended concentrations for detergent, sanitizer, rinse aid, or lime scale remover. Note that failure to follow use, care, and maintenance instructions may void your Hobart commercial dishwasher warranty.